Hey everyone, Scott Taylor, Equity Real Estate Results. Wanted to talk to you today about seller financing specifically for landlords. This can be a bit of a complicated transaction. You want to make sure you're working with professionals that have done this type of transaction before. There are a lot of benefits to landlords. Number one, no more maintenance, no more repairs of the property, and no more filling vacancies with future tenants. You can typically sell your home 10% or more above market value. That's one of the benefits of seller financing. The buyer is willing to pay that because they've had issues with banks. Perhaps they're self-employed. They have trouble proving income to a bank, although they make great income. So they're willing to pay 10% or more above market value. You can maintain or increase your monthly cash flow the same as if you were renting it out, but now you are no longer a landlord. You become like the bank. These buyers become owners of the property. You hold the title just like a bank does when you finance an auto. You own the car, you can sell it, you can paint it, you can fix it up, whatever you want with it. When you pay it off, the bank gives you the title. You become the bank in this transaction. You hold the title until the transaction is fulfilled. There's a capital gains benefit. Instead of paying capital gains all in one lump sum, you can pay it over time through the installment method. Talk to your tax professional about that. You can close quickly. We've closed these in as little as 2 days. The buyer doesn't need to go through a bank. There's no underwriting with the bank, no appraisal needed. It's their cash transaction. They bring in a cash down payment and they can close in typically as little as a few days, depending on how long they want to take for inspections, etc. Talked about this large down payment. They typically bring in 10% or more for a down payment. In some cases, much larger than that. These buyers typically have a lot of cash at their disposal, but they have trouble qualifying or proving income through a bank. Buyers are less picky as far as location, condition of the property, etc. So you remove some of those concerns that you have in a typical sale. So in a nutshell, these are some of the benefits of seller financing for a landlord. In future videos, we're going to talk about any concerns that sellers might have and an actual case study that goes over numbers and will give you a better picture of how these transactions are put together. Thanks.